Assalamualaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home and welcome again to our online class. I am your Rabia Miss. Today I will discuss lesson 3 and 4 of chapter 6, Climate and Disaster. So students, take your textbook and open at page number 52. Lesson 3, Drought. Drought শব্দের বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে খরা. So at first I will tell you what is drought. Drought is a prolonged period with less than average amounts of rain in a particular region. Although some parts of our country suffer from frequent floods, other parts suffer from drought. This is especially in the northwest where there is less rain and fewer rivers. The northwest area of our country is the most drought-prone area. The man-made causes of drought include: number 1, cutting down trees, because the roots hold water in the soil and the leaves put moisture back in the air. Number 2, too much building covers the ground with concrete so that it does not absorb water. Concrete শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে জমাটবদ্ধ করা. Number 3, air pollution from factories also makes the atmosphere drier. Atmosphere শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে বায়ুমণ্ডল, তবে এখানে ব্যবহৃত হবে আমাদের পরিবেশ হিসেবে. Students, you can see a picture in your book. Now I will tell you about the effects of drought. The effects of drought include: number 1, rivers, wells, lakes and canals dry up. Number 2, it is harder to cultivate crops in the fields. Number 3, fodder for cattle becomes scarce. Fodder এখানে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে গবাদি পশুর খাবার হিসেবে, and scarce ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে বিরল হিসেবে, মানে দুর্লভ, পাওয়া যায় না. Number 4, there is no rainwater to drink. Now students, you will go to the page number 54. Lesson 4, Earthquake. Earthquake শব্দের বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে ভূমিকম্প. At first I will tell you what is earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth. Bangladesh is at risk of earthquake because of its geological position. Geological position শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে ভূতাত্ত্বিক অবস্থান. You can see a map in your book. On the map, zone 1 in the northeast is the most at risk. Northeast হচ্ছে উত্তর পূর্ব, while zone 3 in the southwest is the least at risk. Southwest, that means দক্ষিণ পশ্চিম. The government and developers should take precautions by building housing that can survive such shocks. A major earthquake can have secondary effects like tsunami and flooding around the seashore. Now I will tell you what can you do during earthquake. So students, go to the page number 55. During earthquake, you will stay completely calm. If you are in a bed, you will cover your head with a pillow. You will take shelter under a wooden table or other strong furniture. You will stay away from balconies or furniture that could fall. If you are in a building, stand under a beam. After the first shock, leave the building and stay outside. You will keep first aid supplies ready. Now, I will discuss some important fill in the blanks from these two lessons. Number 1, the northwest part of Bangladesh is the most drought-prone area. Number 2, dash for cattle becomes scarce. Number 3, Bangladesh is at risk of earthquakes because of its dash position. Number 4, a major earthquake can have secondary effects like dash and flooding towards the seashore. Number 5, will stay completely dash during earthquake. Now students, I will tell the answer of this, fill in the blanks. Answer number 1 will be drought. Answer number 2 will be fodder. Answer number 3 will be geological. Answer number 4 will be tsunami. Answer number 5 will be calm. Students, these are very important fill in the blanks from these two lessons. I hope you will learn this. Now I will discuss all the important things of this chapter. So take your pen and copy to write these important things in your copy. Your topic name is climate and disaster. So at first I will tell you what is disaster. Disaster বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে দুর্যোগ. Disaster is a sudden accident or a natural catastrophe that causes great damage or loss of life. ক্যাটাস্ট্রফি শব্দের অর্থ হচ্ছে বিপর্যয়কারী ঘটনা। Weather is average temperature, rainfall and air pressure during a short period like 1 to 7 days. Climate is average weather over a long period like 30 years. Causes of climate change. Number 1, pollution from factories and vehicles. Number 2, cutting down trees. Impacts of climate change on Bangladesh. Number 1, increased average temperature. Number 2, heavy rainfall or less rainfall. Number 3, more tornadoes. Number 4, frequent severe floods. Number 5, damage to agricultural land from increased salinity. Number 6, trees and animals are destroyed. Due to climate change, it is estimated that by 2050, 20% of Bangladesh's land area might be flooded by seawater. Riverbank erosion. What is riverbank erosion? Riverbank erosion is the wearing away of the banks of river through its flooding. The main natural cause of riverbank erosion is floods. The man-made causes of riverbank erosion are: number 1, extracting sand from riverbeds. Number 2, cutting down trees near riverbanks. Number 3, unplanned river excavation. Drought is a prolonged period with less than average amounts of rain in a particular region. The northwest region of Bangladesh suffered from drought. The man-made causes of drought: number 1, cutting down trees. Number 2, too much building covers the ground with concrete so that soil does not absorb water. Number 3, air pollution from factories. The effects of drought are: number 1, rivers, wells, lakes and canals dry up. Number 2, it is harder to cultivate crops in the fields. Number 3, fodder for cattle becomes scarce. Number 4, there is no rainwater to drink. Earthquake. An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth, and Bangladesh is at risk of earthquake because of its geological position. Dear students, I hope you will learn all important things from this chapter. Now I will give you homework. Today I will give you 3 short questions and 1 creative questions. And these short questions are: number 1, write 2 natural causes of disasters. Number 2, write 2 man-made causes of disasters. Number 3, write 3 impacts of climate change on Bangladesh. Now I will tell the answer of these questions. Number 1, the 2 natural causes of disasters are geological position and climate change. Number 2, the 2 man-made causes of disasters are smoke of industries and vehicles and cutting down trees. Number 3, the 3 impacts of climate change on Bangladesh are increased average temperature, heavy rainfall or less rainfall and more tornadoes. Now I will tell the creative questions. Number 1, what will you do during earthquake? And the answer will be: during earthquake you will stay completely calm. If you are in bed, you will cover your head with a pillow. Take shelter under a wooden table or other strong furniture. You will stay away from balconies or furniture that could fall. If you are in a building, stand under a beam. After the first shock, leave the building and stay outside. You will keep first aid supplies ready. Students, you will get the answer of these questions from page number 55. So, dear students, do the homework attentively and see you again on the next class. That's all.